Hi, and welcome to AppMyWeb video guide. In this video, I will explain how to get started and create your own app with AppMyWeb within few minutes. It's really easy, let's get started. I hope you have already made an AppMyWeb account. If not, you can do it right here on www.appmyweb.net and create your account. Once done, you are ready to create your first app. Click the Create New App button, enter app name, and add link to your website. Please type in the full website link, including HTTPS protocol. Then, select theme color as the primary color for web apps. Layout template is your app template. You can use 4 templates for your app design to make the final interfaces match material for Android and Cupertino style for iOS. Tab template is a popular template, where you can create some tabs in the bottom of your screen. Drawer template helps to create sections with the link to the website pages in the side slide menu. Apps panel for your website will be added in the bar template. Blank template is perfect for websites, which have good mobile versions inside. Furthermore, you can choose any template you like and create your own app as well. To continue, click the Continue button to reach main info section of our app builder. App ID is an app's unique identifier. You should reverse your website's domain spelling scheme, because this is important for SEO. Then, select your app screen orientation, language, and user agent. Go to Permissions tab to choose which native devices APIs our application uses. Then continue to the Design section. Here you can customize the color scheme in details and plug additional design features. Go to Drawer tab if you want to upload your background image and logo files you have already made. Here you can set the navigation in your app, which works closely with your website and app template wrapper. One of the most important sections. Main navigation is the main navigation of your app. It is displayed as tabs or as a form of a drawer menu. It depends on the selected template type. Bar buttons are displayed in the upper right corner of the app's bar. Bar buttons can perform actions such as sharing links, making phone calls, or sending email. Just add your required navigation items and move to the next step, which is localization settings. If your application is not in English, you need to change some translation settings. You can add images as well for the users to see if a sudden error occurs on your website, or they don't have an internet connection. Next step is graphics settings, where you need to upload your icons such as background images, logo files, and app icons. Use the images for the loading background and just set my background cover. You can set the time for the splash screen to be displayed. Here, create and manage sending push notifications based on your user base by providing your OneSignal API key. Go to the OneSignal app list and copy the OneSignal app ID and REST API key. AppMyWeb allows you to send notifications directly through your AppMyWeb account or through the OneSignal interface. Paste copied keys into the AppMyWeb app settings form and activate the mailing connection switcher. To add keys in Android, select Android and just add name. It will automatically generate key. However, for Apple devices, you need to provide issuer ID and key ID as well. Yes, we are almost finished. We VE configured our application and you can download file now. For me, it took me 15 minutes to create an application based on the website. We styled it as our brand needed, added clear navigation, and plugged free push notifications. If you need further assistance, you can email us at support@appmyweb.net. Head over to appmyweb.net to create your app now. Thanks for watching, have a great day.